Can Arsenal defend their crown? Can Liverpool bounce back? Fire the biggest questions facing every Premier League club, Soccer Police. The new Premier League season is here, and once again, the competition promises drama, pressure, and plenty of surprises. Every club enters the campaign with a major question to answer, but some questions are much bigger than others. Let's start with Arsenal. After winning the Premier League title last season, Mikel Arteta's biggest challenge is now to defend it. Arsenal have built a strong and competitive squad, but repeating as champions is extremely difficult. Only Pep Guardiola, Sir Alex Ferguson, and Jose Mourinho have previously guided a team to back-to-back Premier League titles. Can Arteta join that exclusive list? Then there is Liverpool. Arne Slot enjoyed an excellent start to his Liverpool career, but the Reds now face the challenge of proving they can remain among England's elite. Liverpool will need consistency, defensive strength, and big performances in crucial matches if they want to return to the top of the table. Manchester City also enters a fascinating new chapter. With Pep Guardiola no longer in charge, the club is beginning a new era under Enzo Maresca. City have dominated English football for years, but rebuilding after such a successful period is never easy. The big question is whether Maresca can immediately keep City competing for the biggest trophies. For Chelsea, expectations are also rising. Xabi Alonso brings a new vision and plenty of European experience, but managing in the Premier League is a completely different challenge. Chelsea have talented players, but turning that potential into consistent results will be the key. And what about Manchester United? Under Michael Carrick, United will be looking to establish a clear identity and return to the level expected from one of England's biggest clubs. The pressure will be enormous, and every poor result could bring even more questions. But the Premier League isn't only about the traditional giants. Teams such as Newcastle United, Aston Villa, and other ambitious clubs could have a major impact on the race for Europe and potentially the title. Meanwhile, the newly promoted sides will be fighting to prove they belong at the highest level. So as the 2026-27 season unfolds, the biggest questions remain. Can Arsenal defend their crown? Can Liverpool bounce back? Can Manchester City dominate again? Blue Heart, can Chelsea challenge for the title? And can Manchester United finally return to the top? One thing is certain, the Premier League rarely goes according to plan. Every match can change the table, every injury can change a title race, and every big result can create a new contender. Who do you think will win the Premier League this season? Arsenal, Liverpool, Manchester City, Chelsea, Manchester United, or someone else? Drop your prediction in the comments. Soccer Fire.